What's up, guys? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new, my name is Fanny and I share tips on digital guides and all that on this particular channel. So today I'll share with you how hard it is to be a content creator or a YouTuber, especially if you're a small YouTuber, you're doing it all alone, everything. So the truth is the struggle is real. You wake up, post a video after 2 views, 3 views, 10 views, and sometimes it's easy to get so much frustrated and then just give up. Now here's my YouTube journey. I started my very first YouTube channel in 2020, is that? And it's not this channel, it's a travel channel. And when I started that channel, I was basically putting travel content, and time came and my camera got stolen and I got demotivated. Till today, I am even struggling to get back on my feet for that particular channel. But I decided that, okay, that was just my hobby. However, that channel has grown. People are still watching the old videos and I'm like, okay, why did I give up? But anyway, I'm trying to get back. Now on this channel, basically, because I am looking at what I currently have, the equipment. I have my PC and I have my phone. So right now I'm filming on my phone, and why not just share the tips I know instead of crying over the previous thing that happened. So same thing happened for this channel because I was so busy with work. I was up and down organizing tech events and all that. It was so hard for me to post consistently, but if you check back, I started posting videos on this channel like 2 years ago, but I was never consistent. I'll just post something random. I've also deleted some videos, but I'll just post something random. And now I have tried to calm down to digital guides. I'll just be talking about the digital guides that I use, tools, and some of the things I do in my daily work in regards to web development, tech, and all that. And it's hard because when you it's so easy to give up at the point of making this video. And here is the thing everyone talks about, is that know your why. Why did you start the YouTube channel in the first place? That is the reason to keep you moving. That is the reason to push you to create content. And for me, it's just sharing my passion here for web development and some challenges I face, especially for the tools. Just think about of your why, and then that should be enough to keep you waking up early in the morning and record a video. Now, secondly, I currently don't have any project that I'm doing, and I'm like, okay. So another thing that keeps me motivated is that I think this week I've been posting every single day, if you check, and I can see now the graph is a little bit like rising, when you've been having like 10 views and then you have like 100 views. Oh god, that feeling. And when I picture 100 people watching my video in a room, I am grateful, and it gives me a reason that yeah, someone actually likes this. And then I have some people who are really so cool connecting with me. I have seen, even though I am so small, I have seen some people reach out to me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and I am so excited. When you reach out to me, I feel like, oh my God, people are actually watching my videos. It makes me feel like, okay, we are getting up there. But this is every struggle a new YouTuber faces. And then there is that demotivation of like, you even don't have enough gear. Like, I am filming on my phone, or if I'm not filming on my phone, I'm just recording my computer screen. That is it. And I'm seated here in my bedroom, no fancy gear, just my phone and this simple microphone, which I think I'm still having issues with the audio, but I'm still figuring it out. All that, when you get that in your brain, like, you're going to feel down. So I want you guys that if you're a new content creator, just keep pushing. The struggle is real, I feel you, and just keep pushing. So another thing is to avoid burnout, and I've told you that previously I had a very active YouTube channel, and I'll still get back to that channel, but for now I'm just looking at what I have right now to create the type of content that I want to create, and just set clear expectations. At this point I know that okay, it will take me some time to get where I want. having realistic expectations, because you may put so much effort on a video and then nothing happens with it, it's just there. But one thing I want you to remember, and this is one of my YouTuber friends told me, is that every video you make is an investment, because you put in your time, you put in your effort, you put in all the energy. So just put that video out there. Maybe not today, maybe 2 years from now, maybe 5 years from now, the video will be relevant and will find the people it belongs to. So just keep creating every single day, and then enjoy the journey. Don't focus on the negativity, the things of like few views. That, just don't focus on that. I think I realized it, that the moment you stop focusing on the views, it will give you even less stress. It will give you the time to even create more. So just don't care how many views you have, how many people, subscribers you have. At this point, I think I have like 130 subscribers. But there is progress. When I look back from where I started from zero, and it's been 2 years, it's a slow growth, but you just have to trust the process. And I know my mistakes. I think if you're able to acknowledge that, okay, this was my mistake, maybe let me just keep on improving one video at a time, and then you can always improve and keep creating that content. So guys, my advice to you is that just keep going. It's gonna be hard, you're going to get stressed out, but just don't give up yet. If it is creating content, okay, just create content. So guys, that is it. I basically just try to wake up every morning and do something, and whatever reason you decided to start a YouTube channel, make sure that you stick to your why and always keep going. So thank you, see you in the next video.